Are you an aspiring MSL considering hiring a personal coach? Or going for one of these MSL accreditations? Are you wondering if that is going to be the stepping stone for you breaking in as a medical science liaison? If so, this insight is for you. My name is Michael Pietrack, and I lead the medical affairs recruiting at 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐘 International. And I'm also the host of the Pharmaverse podcast. I've been placing MSLs since 2007, so I'm confident that these free insights are going to be helpful to you. There are programs out there that offer MSL accreditations and even board certifications. Also, there are a number of one-on-one coaches out there. And when you're desperate to become an MSL, you may wonder, should you spend the money? In all my years of recruiting, never has a company asked me for someone that has any kind of MSL certification. Now, that doesn't mean that those aren't valuable. You will certainly learn a lot that may help you get a job, but it alone will not propel you into a position. It's not some golden ticket. I know hundreds of MSLs who broke into the MSL world without any of those things. But what they did have was a deep therapeutic expertise and connections that were meaningful to the company. So if you don't have those things, there's no certification that's going to bridge the gap for you. So I can't tell you where to spend your money. But if you do outlay for these programs, just know that it's only information, not a golden ticket to a job. Did that answer your question? Well, if not, drop me a comment or ping me privately on LinkedIn. And keep following this series because there's many more insights to come. Thanks.